Imagine a chair that not only elevates the aesthetic of your workspace but also provides unparalleled comfort and utility. The hydraulic rolling adjustable salon chair Stool by OmySalon is designed to meet the diverse needs of professionals across various industries, from beauty and spa to medical, office, and even art studios. This chair stands out not just for its sleek white appearance but for its thoughtful features that cater to comfort, mobility, and support. Starting with mobility, the chair is equipped with 360-degree swivel wheels, allowing for effortless movement in any direction. This feature is particularly useful for environments where multitasking and smooth transitions between tasks are essential. The base of the chair includes 5 casters, ensuring stable and smooth maneuverability across different floor surfaces. Whether you're wheeling over to another workstation or simply adjusting your position, this chair moves with you, not against you. Comfort is another cornerstone of this chair's design. The seat itself is made from high-quality PU leather and sponge, providing a soft yet supportive surface to sit on. The dimensions of the seat ensure that it's spacious enough for comfortable seating but compact enough to fit in smaller spaces. The inclusion of a well-padded contoured backrest is what sets this chair apart. It offers strong lower back support, crucial for those long hours of work that can take a toll on your posture. The backrest is designed to reduce stress on your neck and back, ensuring that you can maintain productivity without compromising on comfort. Adjustability is key in any professional chair, and the OmySalon Salon Stool doesn't disappoint. With a built-in hydraulic lift, the height of the chair can be adjusted from 27" to 32.9", accommodating a wide range of work surfaces and user heights. This flexibility ensures that you can always find your perfect working position, enhancing your efficiency and comfort. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.